guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Right, let's get straight into it. You've seen the titles of this video. I am about to, which one is it? I'm about to review this product. This is the Cantu Curl Stretcher. Yeah, the stretcher. Can it really stretch my curls? Let's have a look. Can it do it? Can it? So first of all, I want to say to so many new subscribers, thank you so much for joining Mel's World. You're so welcome. I've had a quick influx of new subbies and I really appreciate you. And I've had some really lovely conversations with so many of you. And of course, you old subs, the ones that are faithful, keep coming back and commenting and yeah, all of that. Thank you so much for supporting me as well. I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's just get straight into the video, okay? First of all, I'm just going to be washing this wash and go. The reason why I've come to you with my hair ready to be washed, because we've got to see what the hair looks like before I do the thing. So we're going to use this clip as a guide, because what we want is the hair to sort of not be shrunk. We want it to be around here. Okay, Cantu, I'm rooting for you. So this is 7th day post wash. Desperately need a wash. So let's talk about the product, okay? Cantu. The reason why I keep doing Cantu reviews is because they've got a massive range of great products. I mean, a big range of products to do basically anything. And one of them is the Curl Stretcher. So this is the Cantu Shea Butter range, okay, for natural hair. And it says it's a curl stretcher, a cream rinse. So that means I've got to rinse this off. I'm amazed. I've never seen a product, well, I haven't seen that many, but I've never known a product, a cream that you just put on that's not a chemical base that actually manipulate your hair, as in like damage it or burn it or whatever. It's just a cream and it claims to stretch the hair. Now, come close. Come. I want to say this. I have natural hair. Cantu, you are claiming that you are going to stretch my curls. After I rinse this, my hair will be stretched a bit. Okay, we are going to see. We are going to see. So Cantu, it claimed to minimize shrinkage, humidity resistance. That is some big claims. So it says great for blowout or air dry styles. So what they're saying is your hair will not shrink if you stretch your hair or blow dry it straight, or if you just have a wash and go and you air dry your natural curl. We're going to test this, okay? Normally what I have to do, I do my wash and go and my hair would shrink up to about, let's show you. It would shrink to about here, just skimming my shoulders. So you're getting 10 ounces of product, which is pretty good, for £6.99. Not sure how much it is in the US or different parts of the world. But this is £6.99. I think it's pretty good. This is my first impressions. And can I just say something? I bought this with my own coin. This is not sponsored, okay? One of the other things I love about Cantu is they are kind to your hair. Even though they do have some chemicals in them, you know, I'm all about having natural product on my hair. They do say they have no sulfates, no silicones or parabens or mineral oils. So you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm just going to go and wash my hair. I'm going to come back when it's washed because you have already seen my wash day routine, which I'll probably put a card up there if you still want to see it and you haven't seen it already. Okay, so I have washed the hair. So let me talk you through the steps. So it says, so excuse the granny eyes, 47. I can still see, but need to sort of. Okay, so directions, it says apply to damp hair, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse with cool water, and then it's got styling tips, and all the styling tips are using the Cantu product. So I'm going to be using the moisturizing cream, curl activator cream. Right, so I'm going to put, I don't even know how much to put on there. Let's have a look at the consistency. Oh, it's thick, you can tell. All right, so the consistencies are like this. Nice and thick. I think I'm going to just try about that much. Just going to put it all over. Just randomly, just cover my hair. I never have any kind of uniform way of doing things. I just don't like to complicate my life. As long as my hair gets coated, and that's the main thing. I'm just gonna let it hang. Oh, hang on. Where's the curl? Where's the curl? Oh my word. Oh! Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna separate that because I'm a little bit worried. Has this thing got chemicals in? Let me just have a look at the ingredients. That might be a good thing to do. Quickly. Oh my goodness, the granny eyes. Anyway, I don't believe they will put anything with chemicals on it, you know, to burn my hair or take my hair off or stretch it like a relaxer. They better not, otherwise there will be a lawsuit against their name. It's fully saturated. The hair is saturated with this product. I'm going to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it off with cool water. I'm interested to see how is this going to work. So we're going to see if this Cantu product really did work. I did it exactly to what it said. It said leave it on 4 to 5 minutes. The real test is what it's going to be like when it dries, because it's damp right now. We can't tell when it's damp. Okay, so I'm going to be using this moisturizing curl activator cream because it said I can use it. It's a curl activator, so it's going to make it curl. It's not going to stretch my hair, is it? It's going to do the opposite to what it's actually trying to do. You know, that's trying to stretch my hair and this is trying to curl my hair. So anyway, let's see. Okay, so we got this here. It's down here, okay? It's down here. So I'm going to go ahead and air dry my hair. And then I will come back after. Okay then, I'm back. My hair is completely dried out. I'm very happy to say. It did take me 3 hours. Normally my hair takes about 45 minutes and it's dry. But because I had so much of the moisturizing curl activator cream in that Cantu do, it just took so long to dry my hair. So first of all, okay, let's just have a look at the length. Did it reduce my hair? Did I get shrinkage? And I can already tell that my hair has not shrunk. It is the same length. A round of applause to you, Cantu. This is definitely a certified product. Curl stretcher. Yeah, well, I've got to hand it to you, Cantu. You did it this time. Okay, so some other things I've noticed about it. Let me just see the definition. My hair is really well defined. That's what they should have put that on the label as well. Defining cream, or just make a point that it defines your curl. But the only thing I didn't like about it, if there was a con, was that it's a bit crispy. There is a definite cast on my hair, some kind of coating. The other thing that I didn't like about it was that I've got this frizziness. You can see the frizziness that's formed up here. Yeah, but I'm overall really excited about this product. It's worth every single penny. So I might still need to grab Mr. Pick to make it a little bit more voluminous, but in terms of it shrinking, girl, it did the job. I mean, that's just me picking out a little bit just to get the volume that I want. But in terms of the length, day 1 of wash day, no shrinkage. I'm pretty impressed with this. I've got to be buying this in the shiploads. I don't know what kind of sorcery is in this thing, eh? But I can definitely tell you what it says on the tin. It does. Overall, days of shrinkage on my wash day routine is over. So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you've used this product, what has it done for your hair? Has it given you the minimal shrinkage on your wash day routine? Or has it just been an epic fail? Let us know in the details below. Share your tips so we can learn from each other. I'm nearly at 5,000 subscribers. You guys have just smashed it for me. You just smash it up. You smash it up. You satisfy this 47-year-old woman. Thank you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with someone, you know. Someone wants to know about the Cantu products. So guys, I'll see you again in my next video. You take care now and God bless you. Bye.